Welcome to this video. Today we do have this lovely Porsche Macan Turbo on the 69 plate. This car's just come into stock, full stealth mode, as you can probably see. Car is finished in jet black metallic. It does have quite a few optional extras which I'll go through in this video, but to start with I'm just going to go through the service history. So it is a full Porsche main dealer and specialist service history. It's been very well looked after. So moving you down to the wheels, we do have the 21-inch RS Spyder design alloy wheels, now finished in the satin black. Headlights, you do have the LED main headlights with the Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus. And if we move to the side, you do get the window trims in the gloss black as well. Moving around to the rear, you do of course get the sports exhaust system with the black tailpipes, and as you can probably tell, this does come with the panoramic roof system. So if I take you into the rear of the cabin, the car does come with the BOSE surround sound system, full black leather throughout. And in this car you do get the heated front seats and also the rear seats, with the Porsche crests embossed on the front and the rear headrests also. Alcantara headlining, and you do also get the storage package, which does give you the storage nets to the rear. As we move on into the front, as this is the Turbo, you do get the 18-way adaptive sport seats with the memory package as standard. See there. Heated steering wheel with all your functions, including the mode switch, which does come part of the Sport Chrono package, as you can see with the clock in the centre there. Another big bit of specification this car's got, it does have the air suspension with the self-leveling and ride height adjustment. That does include the Porsche Active Suspension Management as well. You do of course get the updated infotainment system, which does give you navigation, CarPlay, and this car in particular does have the surround view cameras. It's a really nice little option. So there it is. It's lovely Porsche Macan Turbo, done just over 48,500 miles. And like I said earlier on in the video, it does come with a full Porsche and Porsche specialist service history. For any more information on this car, please do contact us on 01423 648 648. Thank you.